Oh boy, more tape, my favorite. Hello citizens of the multiverse and welcome to Dark Knight Nation. Today we have a very different video for the channel, as we normally like to hold story discussions, analyze characters, and break down the things that we love about comics. But today we got something really cool. Thanks to my awesome sponsor, AJ's Comics in Colchester, Connecticut, I got a package that I'm going to open for you guys and do an unboxing of. I've never really done anything like this before, so it's going to be super different. But obviously, with the Marvel Cinematic Universe being the absolute behemoth that it is, we have an Avengers Infinity War Kotobukiya Thanos statue to open for you guys today. And I am super excited because I don't really do a lot of like statues and stuff like that. I wish I did. They can get expensive, so that's probably the thing that's holding me back the most. But yeah, this is going to be a super cool set dressing, and I'm just over the moon about opening this up and throwing this somewhere on the set for you guys, because these movies have had such a huge impact on my life and what I do, and I'm sure for you guys as well. So let's get into it. Oh man, I'm honestly like so afraid to damage this box. It's so cool. Oh, also I guess you guys get to see the bottom of the desk here too. We took a bunch of IMAX movie posters and put them under some glass. I'm really happy with how that came out. Let's see. There it is. Oh boy, more tape, my favorite. Alright. So there's his torso. I guess we should start with the base, huh? So. I kind of wish the Infinity Gauntlet was detachable. There it is, the good old glove. And there she is. See if the camera will focus in on it. If not, I'll give you guys a couple other shots of this, but it's nice. It's pretty well detailed. I really love all of the attention that they pay to the Infinity Gauntlet. This is really cool. I've never really had anything like this, and the nice thing is it's a little bit smaller than I thought it was, so maybe I'll be able to find a spot for it up there on the bookshelf. But yeah, at the end of the day, super cool, man. Thank you so much to Pete from AJ's Comics for hooking me up with this thing, and I'm so excited to put this up. Man, like, I love the way that they like use the painting and like the little carvings to texture up the statue. That was really cool. I'm super excited to find a place to put this thing up. Dude, thank you guys so much for watching me open a box. I really appreciate it. Again, super unfamiliar with unboxings, but this was definitely a cool experience, and obviously having this guy is gonna be a treat visually to throw up on set. So man, like, super impressed. Again, this is the Thanos Infinity War Kotobukiya 1/10 statue. I might not know all the technical terms, but man, is she pretty. Thank you so much again to Pete from AJ's Comics. These guys are amazing. I subscribe there for my weekly comic book pull list, and you guys should too. And the best part is they will ship your comic book pull list to you. Your entire subscription is managed online, so if you don't live near a decent local comic book store, or maybe you're one of the wonderful men and women that serve our country living on a base internationally or elsewhere, they will ship you your comics, and as long as your entire purchase for that shipment is $100 or more, the shipping is free and you get 10% off everything in the store, even something like this super cool Kotobukiya statue. They are amazing, so make sure that you guys go check them out using the link in the description below. Go to their website, tell them Dark Knight Nation sent you, and if you want to get in touch with him, you can tweet at him at AJ's Comics. You can also find the link to the description for that down below. They're always helping us out so that we can help you out and give you some free geeky stuff. There's always something, whether it's free comics or what have you. But again, those guys are the best. Make sure to go check them out, and you'll get 10% off all of your comics and all of your geeky goods. And most importantly, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next video from Dark Knight Nation.